In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send email with Postmark SMTP. By the end, you'll know exactly how to connect your app or email client to Postmark's SMTP service, verify your sender, and send reliable transactional messages with the right security settings. First, let's talk about the SMTP details you'll use in your client or application. The SMTP host is smtp.postmarkap.com, which is designed for transactional email. For the port, 587 is recommended because it supports modern, secure connections, but 25 or 2525 can also work if your network blocks 587. You'll want to enable TLS or Start TLS. This encrypts the connection so your credentials and message data are protected in transit. For both the username and the password, use your Postmark Server API token. It might feel unusual to use the same token for both fields, but that's how Postmark authenticates SMTP sessions. Keep that token safe, store it in environment variables, and avoid hard-coding it in your source code or sharing it in logs. Next, make sure the address you're sending from is verified in Postmark. You can either add a specific sender address as a sender signature or verify an entire sending domain. This step is essential. If the sender isn't verified, Postmark will reject the message. Verifying also improves deliverability and aligns your mail with best practices. If you verify a full domain, you'll have more flexibility to send from different addresses under that domain without verifying each one individually. Now let's configure your SMTP client. In your application or server mail settings, set the host to SMTP postmarkapp.com, the port to 587, and enable TLS or Start TLS. Use your server's API token as both the username and password. For the From field, use the exact email address you verified, or one that belongs to a verified domain. Most popular libraries, like PHP Mailer, Node Mailer, and many framework mailers, work perfectly with these settings. If your connection fails, try switching to port 2525 and confirm your firewall allows outbound SMTP on the port you've chosen. When testing, start with a simple plain text message to confirm the connection and authentication are working. You can also check activity and error logs in your Postmark dashboard for detailed diagnostics. That's all you need to send email through Postmark via SMTP. With the correct host, port, TLS enabled, your API token as credentials, and a verified sender, you'll be sending reliable transactional emails in minutes.